Hi, I'm Coach Casey Ingram of Complete Confidence. In this video blog, being that it's December 2nd, I thought that I would cover office party etiquette and dress. So everyone enjoys a good party, especially around the holidays. We're all a little more festive and just wanting to celebrate and anticipating a new year. And sometimes we get caught up in all of that merry spirit and just, being happy and wanting to spread the joy. So as I mentioned, today I'm going to talk about office party etiquette as well as dress. In regards to etiquette, a lot of people talk about fashionably late. And, maybe that's something that, depending on the situation, isn't necessarily a bad thing. But when you're talking about an office party, you do want to be on time. You don't necessarily want to be early. You want to think of it the same way you would an interview. You don't want to get there too early, but you also don't want to be late. It's important to be prompt and not try to be that person that enters fashionably late, because it may actually reflect poorly on you. You also want to be cognizant of the conversations that you're having. You've got to remember this is a professional setting, so you want to have the same conversations that you would have throughout the day. Maybe not completely business related, but that you're not completely focused on personal things and mentioning things that either aren't appropriate or that you may regret later. So with that in mind, most office parties do tend to have alcohol there, or any Christmas party or networking event, things of that nature. And while there is alcohol and you are encouraged to partake and participate, it is important to be aware of your limits, as well as the fact that, again, it's a professional setting and you don't want to have one too many drinks, and then at that point, you're a little tipsy and things start to slip in regards to, maybe it's foul language, maybe it's a person in the office that you don't like and you say something negative about them, or possibly your boss, or maybe you get clumsy and you fall. I mean, it could really be any gambit of things that could possibly happen if you consume too much alcohol. In regards to alcohol, there are a couple of tips that I recommend. One is, whether there's going to be food at the party or not, go ahead and have a little bit of something to eat before you get there. So one, you're not hungry, but two, if you do have some alcohol, it's not on an empty stomach, so you're less likely to feel, intoxicated prematurely. My other tip would be not to pick your favorite alcoholic drink whenever you're going to partake. So regardless of what type of drink that is, if it's something sweet, if it's not, and maybe it's something a little bit stout, however you normally prefer your drink, get something completely opposite of that. So that way you're more likely to sip versus guzzle. And I would also recommend that you drink straight from the cup or the glass versus a straw, which may have you drinking a little more than what you think that you're drinking, especially if you're nervous or if you're having a conversation with somebody and you're just sipping away and you don't even realize it. Next thing you know, your drink's empty. So last but not least, in regards to dress, it's important, especially at an office party, to consider what your normal dress code is. So if your normal dress code is business professional, then you need to go in business professional for your office party. If it's business casual, then it's okay to go in business casual. If you possibly have a question about what the dress might be, then ask somebody who would know. Ask the person who coordinated the party and the event. Anybody that would potentially have a little insight if you needed it. And then some things to keep in mind as far as what not to wear. So as a female, the same rules apply at an office party as they would in the workplace. You don't want any plunging necklines and showing any cleavage. You don't want your dress or skirt to be too short and be inappropriate. You don't necessarily want to wear your sexiest heels that are 5 inches tall. And the other thing would just be to keep in mind that even though it is a holiday party, unless it's a tacky Christmas sweater party or some other theme, that you want to keep your colors, within reason. You don't want anything too flashy or shiny or that lights up or anything along those lines. Again, you're in a professional setting and you want to treat it as such. I'd like to thank you again for watching. I am Coach Casey of Complete Confidence. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like it as well as subscribe. And don't forget to share on your social media with your friends and family. And as always, if you would like further information or would like to contact me, my website is www.coachcasey.com. Thank you and have a great day.